Regards from our Institute of English Medium. Hope you are enjoying the studies, and one of the easy chapters among all is a probability. In last lecture we have finished up to a sum number 13. Now we are going to see and start from a sum number 14. So here we will start with sum number 14, which is relevant to a cards. In these sums, at the same times they have asked somewhere around a 6th question, but in exams they are not going to ask in that way. You have to attempt any two. Might be they are going to ask any two. As in a introduction part I had already explained pertaining to the total number of the cards and a face cards and a color. Now let us start with a sum number 14. Question is like this.
One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color.
Now, total number of the cards in a well-shuffled deck. तो total number of the cards कितने होते हैं? 52. So total number of the kings of red color, that may be a 2. So getting a king of a red color, तो number of a favorable outcome upon number of total possible outcome. तो रेड कलर के टोटल कितने होंगे? किंग 2 होंगे. 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 52, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/26.
Probability of getting a face card.
Now they had asked about the probability of getting a face card. So there are a total face card अगर हम consider करते हैं, there are 12. So getting a face card, that is a 12 upon 52, that is 3 upon 13.
Probability of getting a red face card.
Now रेड 2 होते हैं, तो रेड फेस कार्ड के अंदर कंसिडर करेंगे तो 3 + 3, दैट इज इक्वल टू 6 कार्ड. तो 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 52, दैट इज इक्वल टू 3/26.
Probability of getting the jack of hearts.
जैक एज वेल एज हार्ट्स. हार्ट्स के अंदर जैक कितना होगा? एक ही होगा. सो गेटिंग ए जैक ऑफ ए हार्ट, दैट इज ए 1/52. नेक्स्ट,
Probability of getting a spade.
तो नंबर ऑफ द स्पेड कार्ड कितने होंगे? 13. 13 डिवाइडेड बाई 52, दैट इज 1/4.
Probability of getting the queen of diamonds.
क्वीन ऑफ डायमंड्स कितना होगा? 1. हैंस 1/52. हियर 1/52. हियर ऑल्सो वी आर गेटिंग ए जैक ऑफ हार्ट एज वेल एज इन दिस सब क्वीन ऑफ डायमंड. तो हर एक पत्ता एक ही होता है. So 1/52 is the probability of getting any questions. Please remember this. So number 4 as well as 6 is a very important among all. There is no need to go in a point wise. Sum number 15 now.
5 cards, the 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at a random. What is the probability that the card is the queen?
Now total number of the cards कितने लिए गए? 5. Total number of the queen कितनी है? 1. So getting a queen is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? 1/5. Next is,
If the queen is drawn and put aside.
अगर जो क्वीन है उसको एक साइड पे रख दिया, then total number of the remaining कार्ड कितने हो जाएंगे? 4.
What is the probability that the second card pickup is a ace or a queen?
Total number of the ace कार्ड कितना होगा? 1. So P, getting an ace is equal to 1/4. B. Next, as queen is already drawn, एक निकाल दिए थे हमने. So drawn, therefore number of the queens now 0. So 0/4. So probability of getting queen is 0. Next,
16. 12 defective pen are accidentally mixed with 132.
12 defective pen with how much? Total number of the pen is
132.
132. If I make the sum of these two, then sum is equal to 144. So total number of the good pen कितने है बेटा? 132. So getting of a good pen is equal to 132 upon 144. If I do a cancellation, this is a square of 11. This is a 12. So 11/12 will be the answer. If I do the cancellation with a 2, then once again with a 3, then कितने से आएगा? With 2, then it is going to give you 11 by 12. So you have to reduce this up to the last कि जिसके बाद cancellation ना हो सके. So your answer will be 11 by 12 is the probability for getting a good pen.
Number 7. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones.
20 number of the bulb is equal to 20 total, which includes a defective bulb. So there is no need to do the addition. Getting a defective bulb, so we are going to get 4 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon 5.
Suppose the bulb drawn in 1 is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn.
अब replace नहीं किया गया तो total number कितने थे 20. 20 में से एक गया तो how much? Now total quantity is 19. So non defective bulb कितने हो जाएंगे? Non defective bulb is equal to 16 minus 1, क्योंकि defective bulb remove हुआ था तो 16 minus 1 that is equal to 15. So getting a non defective bulb is now 15 upon 19. Next,
18. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears 2-digit number. Second, a perfect square number. Third, a number divisible by 5.
Make the start to this particular because number of the disc is equal to 90 है. 2-digit number बोला है. So number has been given from 1 to 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is single digit. So we have to subtract it. So total number is equal to 81. So getting a 2-digit number is equal to 81 upon 90. 9 9s are 81. So 9 by 10. Perfect square. Now second they have asked. Now for that do not get panic. Just write the square number from 1 to 9. 9 का 81 होता है. 10 का अगर हम कंसिडर करेंगे इट विल बी 100. सो 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. If we will do the sum of this, total number is equal to how much? 9. So getting a perfect square is equal to 9 upon 90. 9 upon 90. So cancellation करने के बाद I am going to get the probability answer is 1 by 10. In some cases or in VSQ, sometimes the answer will be a 0.1. That will be a 0.1. Just for your reference or for your understanding, please remember that also. Now divisible by 5. Here you have to write it down that whole sequence 5 up to a 90. So first number will start with a 5, last number will be a 90. So अगर मैं count करूँगा 18 5 is equal to 19. So I am going to get a 18 number which will be a divisible by 5. So 18 number ऐसे होंगे जो 5 से divisible हो जाएंगे, having a last digit that is a 0 and 5. Hence probability is equal to 5 is equal to 18 upon 90, that is equal to 1 by 5. Next,
number 19. A child has a die whose 6 faces shown the letter as given below: A, B, C, D, E, A. The die
here
is
as per the condition A अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो कितनी बार हो गया है? 2 times ना. अगर डाइस के अंदर आप देखेंगे as per the question A had been twice. So P getting A that is equal to 2 by, that is equal to 1 by 3. Now total number of the face having D that is equal to 1. So P getting a D is equal to 1 by 6.
number 20.
This is a very important sums among all. It is a skill based questions and it may ask in the 2 marks or 3 marks. Usually they are not asking in 3 marks, but 2 marks it is a very important in VSQ.
Suppose you drop a die at a random on the rectangular region shown in figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter?
Area of the rectangle, अगर मैं फाइंड इट आउट करता हूँ, that will be a length multiplied by breadth. 3 multiplied by 2 that is equal to 6 meter square. Now area of the circle in diameter इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर. डायमीटर यहाँ पे 1 दिया है, सो व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/2 हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो पाई रेडियस का स्क्वायर दैट इज 1/2 का स्क्वायर, दैट विल बी 1/4 पाई मीटर स्क्वायर. सो P die will land inside the circle. So pi by 4 upon 6 that is equal to pi. ये नीचे जाती है मल्टीप्लाई में आएगा. So answer will be a pi by 24. If you will put a value once again like a 22/7, then you have to do a certain cancellation in this. But as per the norms, we have to stick on this particular part only. Clear?
Number 21. A lot consists of 144 ball pen, of which 20 are defective.
In which 20 are defective. So please read this question. In exams when we are checking the paper, sometimes students make a silly mistake. They are doing the addition of these two. Please do not add this. This a defective pen is a part of this total pen 144.
And
144 minus 20 is equal to
120. And the other are good. Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and give it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it, or second, she will not buy it?
probability of getting a good pen. So 124 upon 144. If you will do the cancellation, it will be a getting a good pen is a 31/36. Noori buy a pen, that will be a 31/36. Suppose Noori will not buy a pen. अगर नहीं पेन कर रहे there is two chances. It is a good buy or not buy. तो 1 minus 31/36 LCM ले लेंगे. 36 minus 31 is equal to 36. तो 36 minus 31 upon 36. 5/36.
Number 22. Refer the example 13. First, complete the following table. Second, a student argues.
Just here to repeat the same. It's a very simple and whole explanation has been given as per the textbook on example number 13. Just you have to write down the value. It is something like that. So यहाँ से आप ऐसे total करोगे तो having a 1 and 1 total is equal to 2 and 3, then a 4, then a 5, 6 and 7. It is like that. It goes on increasing 8, 9, 10, 11 and this is having a 12. तो आप इसके पे से ये tabulate form which you have already learned in standard 9th. Based on this you have to find it out answer. If you are having any doubts you can contact me, but please try to write it down in these forms so you are able to sort it out these sums very easily. You have to write down the ratio of these particular things. Hope so. I am keeping these sums as a self practice.
Number 23. A game consists of a tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result. Therefore, 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise.
Now to get the total outcome, so first we will see with a 2 coin, head and head, head and tail, tail and head, and tail and tail. Now if I will multiply with a head and tail, then ये नंबर को मैं 4 के साथ लगा दूंगा लास्ट डिजिट में, और यही नंबर को लास्ट में लगा दूंगा. हेड हेड एंड हेड इज ओवर हियर. हेड टेल एंड हेड, head tail head and head, tail head and head, tail tail and head, tail tail and head. Then H H and T, H H and T, H T and T, H T and T, T H T, T H T, T T and T, T T and T. Total outcome is equal to how much? 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. This is an easy way to write it down these particular things. Now number of the favorable outcome means Hanif will win if he gets all tail 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 or all head head head. So 2/2 outcomes will help to win the game. So 2/8, that is equal to 1/4. Now Hanif lost when? So if you will from this only तो टोटल आउटकम पेंडिंग इज इक्वल टू 6/8 कर देंगे, देन आंसर विल बी ए 3/4. अदरवाइज टोटल नंबर ऑफ द इवेंट means sum of the probability is 1. We have seen in a formula. So 1 minus 1/4, that is a winning chance, that is equal to LCM ले लेंगे, तो 4 minus 1 that is equal to 3/4. Now question number 24.
A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? Second, 5 will come up at least one.
That is also based on a example number 13. Just already I had told you these are pertaining to this particular tabulate form. So prepare this and try to get the answer with the help of this. So in this activity or in this session I had given two sums for homework. One is sum number 22 and another one is sum number 24. Please try to sort it out by your own, expecting that you will finish all the sums today itself. Next,
Number 25. Which of the following arguments are correct and which are not correct? Give reason for your answer. First, if two coins are tossed simultaneously, there are three possible outcomes: 2 head, 2 tail, or 1 of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes, the probability is 1/3. Second, if a die is thrown, there are two possible outcomes.
now क्वेश्चन 1 के अंदर कहा गया है इफ इनकरेक्ट इज देयर ना, सो हेड हेड, हेड एंड टेल, टेल एंड हेड, टेल एंड टेल. तो गेटिंग 2 हेड्स, अगर दोनों हेड आने के चांसेस कितने? ओनली 1, सो 1/4. 2 टेल्स, दोनों टेल आने के लिए 1/4. तो 1 ऑफ ईच इज कितना होगा? 1/2. अगर दोनों को सम करता हूँ तो 1/4 प्लस 1/4 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 1/2. Hence probability is not 1/3. Second, when a die is thrown, possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I'll take it out odd number, that is a 1, 3 and 5. Even number, that will be a 2, 4 and 6. So getting an odd number is 1/2. So here we are going to get the answer. Here probability is not 1/3. Thank you very much for being with me, and if you have any doubts you can contact me on a number 9638229462. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me anytime for any queries. Just drop your message on WhatsApp. I will reply you within a short span. Thank you very much. Now we had finished the chapter number 15. I will switch on a chapter number 2. Thank you very much.